Games design and development at Boomsatsuma is unique to any other course in the field because we give you a really solid foundation of all the skills that you need to make a game of your own. Students will tackle a large range of projects, some artistic, some technical. On the artistic side, we have 3D modeling and design, 2D art and design, audio for games. Then on the technical side, we have game engines and programming, UI design, and building your own game development project of your own. All of our assignments are geared towards your final end-of-year game project, so you'll learn how to 3D model using industry standard software. We use drawing tablets and again, industry standard 2D Photoshop software to make concept art. You will use game engines like Unity and Unreal. We find new emerging tech within the industry and we utilize it and we build it straight into our course structure. This will prepare you for a career in the gaming industry because it will give you a solid foundation of every aspect that goes into creating a game, whether that is the technical elements or the artistic elements.